Hey, welcome to Missologist. So now we are going to make a cranberry fizz. Now fizzes already are a drink, but I kind of put my own spin on it by doing it with cranberry spice syrup. So it makes it more, appropriate for the holiday. So this is super easy to make. I put the ice away, which was kind of dumb. But that's okay because we don't need it. But you could add ice to this too. What we do need is vodka. 2 ounces of vodka. Or vodka, as the Russians call it. And we're going to do 1 ounce of this cranberry syrup. Really, really delicious cranberry spice syrup from Rack. I'm really enjoying that. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice, but you can also cut that down to your preference. I would recommend pouring it through a strainer so that you don't end up with all the seeds and stuff. Okay, so I think maybe one seed got through, but that's okay. Now we're gonna top it with soda water. You can add egg white, you can add ice, you can add anything. I'm gonna give this a stir, just to make sure all the ingredients blend together. We're gonna try it. Oh God, that is so good. And that's probably mostly because of this. This stuff is really good. It's got this spice to it, like a pumpkin spice, but then you've got the cranberry coming through, you've got the soda water. Can't really taste the lemon. You can taste it a little bit, but I would say the main flavor here is just this delicious cranberry spice. It's super refreshing. I think you could drink this, if you're not in the mood for like a hot drink or a cocktail that you have to shake. This would be just a great cocktail to serve in like a jar, like this mason jar. It's really good. I am very happy with how it turned out. Oh man, that's good. I would say all the drinks for this month are a bit dangerous because they're all really tasty. So just be aware. And that is something that can happen with vodka, is that it disappears. So you won't always taste it, which is fine, but I'm just, be aware of that it can be dangerous because you'll drink an entire cocktail and be like, what, there was vodka in that? And that's how I felt about some of the other drinks from this month. The apple crisp cocktail just tastes delicious, tastes like apple juice. The hot pumpkin spice, Boozy pumpkin spice hot chocolate tastes like pumpkin spice and hot chocolate. This tastes like cranberry and spice. So, just be aware of that. Drink responsibly. And cheers.